Hi friends, good morning. From Sambir School, myself Aji sir, I welcome all of you. We have started chapter number 3 and it is still continuing. We have to take 2 or 3 lectures more. Then after we will start new chapter. Today we are going to discuss two topics. Ionic radius and isoelectronic species. We have discussed earlier atomic radius. Now we are going to discuss about ionic radius. What is the difference between atomic radius and ionic radius? Atomic radius is related to neutral atom, while ionic radius is related to neutral atom will converted into ion so that number of electron will be changed. If it is negative ion, then number of electron will increase, and if it is positive ion, number of electron will decrease compared to neutral atom. Proton will be the same. It means effective nucleus charge will become constant, while negative ion have more electron and positive ion has less electron than effective nucleus, so that radius will get changed. It may be increase, it may be decrease. Suppose we are having sodium. This is sodium neutral atom. When sodium will lose one electron, then sodium will convert it to sodium ion. Number of electron in sodium and proton are 11, electron are 11, while in sodium ion protons are 11 but electron are 10. It means effective nucleus charge is higher than proton is higher than electron. It means effective nucleus charge is higher than electron. It means effective nucleus charge will attract electron and size will decrease. This is parent atom and this is its ion. So positive ion having always less ionic radius than its parent atom. So atomic radius of sodium atom is 186 pm, while sodium ion having only 95 pm. You just think that it is very less than this. So this is the sodium neutral atom. This is its atomic radius. Suppose this is 186 pm. This is sodium neutral atom. When it convert into sodium ion, then radius will decrease and it is 95 pm. It is for sodium ion and it is sodium neutral. It proves that parent atom size is always greater than its ion. Because number of electron is less than proton, it means electron will be attracted by proton, so size will decrease. Same way, if we are going to discuss about fluorine, will gain 1 electron, will convert into fluoride ion. Here proton is 9, electron is 10. Here proton is 9, electron is 9. Here proton is 9 and electron is 10. It means neutral atom means parent atom having less size than it is negative ion. So fluoride atomic radius is only 64 pm, while fluoride ion having ionic radius is 136 pm. It means fluoride fluorine neutral atom having less size, fluorine neutral atom having less size, this is the radius, it is 64, and fluoride ion having the greater size, this is the fluoride ion, and it is 136 pm. It means parent atom is less than always its negative ion. Size of parent atom is less than its negative ion, while in positive ion size of parent atom is always higher than its positive ion due to the number of electron changed. Number of electron change means what? Means what? Size will increase or decrease. Positive ion having the less electron while compared to neutral atom, so less electron will attracted by effective nucleus charge, so that size will decrease. In negative ion, number of electron will be higher than effective nucleus. It means the electron will expand the size of atom. So negative ion having always higher size than parent atom, and positive ion having always less size than its parent atom. Now it is clear. Now we are going to discuss about isoelectronic species. Means what? What is the isoelectronic species? What? Explain isoelectronic species. Let's discuss. Second topic, isoelectronic species. Suppose we are having fluoride minus, we are having oxygen 2 minus, we are having sodium plus, we are having magnesium 2 plus. Let's see how many protons and electrons are present in these 4 ions. Let's see. You can easily understand. Here is for proton and here is for electron. Clear? So proton means number of atomic number, then oxygen having 8 proton, fluorine having 9 proton, sodium having 11 proton, and magnesium having 12 proton. Number of proton will never changed. It convert into positive ion or it convert into negative ion. Only number of electron will change, but proton will never change. So fluorine, oxygen, atom number 8, proton 8 electron, 8 proton. But when oxygen become 2 minus, then oxygen is getting 2 electron. So oxygen will have 10 electron. Oxygen 2 minus will have 10 electron. If fluorine is neutral, then 9 proton, 9 electron. If fluorine is converted into fluoride ion, it means it getting 1 electron. So proton is 9, but electron is 10. Sodium, if it is neutral, then 11 proton, electron. But when sodium lost 1 electron and converted to sodium plus, then proton will be 11, but electron will be 10. Magnesium is, if it is neutral, then 12 electron, 12 proton. But magnesium will convert into 2 plus magnesium ion, then it lost 2 electron. So from 12 electron, magnesium will lose 2 electron, then electron will be 10. So you can see that number of electrons are same in above ions. It proves that number of proton is different, but number of electron is same. Then it is to be said isoelectronic species. This is isoelectronic species. So isoelectronic species, it proves that number of electrons should be same. Very simple, very easy. You are given this type of group in JEE NEET. You have to identify from the group that which group is isoelectronic species. So you have to calculate number of electron when it convert into ion. Either it may be positive ion or it may be negative ion. Your mind should be cleared. We have discussed two topics. Neutral ion will convert into positive ion, number of electron will decrease, size decrease, then ionic radius will decrease. If it convert into negative ion, number of proton will remain constant but number of electron will increase, then size will increase. So negative ion having always big size than its parent atom, while in positive ion having always less than its parent atom. Now we are going to discuss magnesium, magnesium 2 plus, aluminium, aluminium 3 plus. So magnesium is the parent atom, magnesium 2 plus, it is ion. So magnesium having the greater size than magnesium 2 plus, aluminium is parent atom, so aluminium having the greater size than aluminium 3 plus. And magnesium having the greater size than aluminium, because if we go left to right, size decrease. So this is the simple law. If we go left to right, in period size decrease. If we go down to the period, group, size increase. So very simple, very easy, very effective topic. Kindly repeat my video 2-3 times and match with your textbook. Remember the value, all values: sodium, sodium plus, fluorine, fluorine minus, the atomic radius and ionic radius you may be asked in the exam. So send me 2 times homeworks. Thank you very much.